Good afternoon, Iboan. Today, the chief guest, Senior Professor Sampath Amartunga, present chairman of UGC, Dean, Faculty of Management Studies and Commerce, University of Sri Jayawardhanapura, head of the department and all the academic members of the Department of State Management and Valuation, other professors and academic members of the Faculty of Management Studies and Commerce, well-wishers and young researchers. I think today is a very important day for the Faculty of Management Studies and Commerce as well as to the University of Sri Jayawardhanapura, because we are having the 5th International Conference on Real Estate Management and Valuation today. You know, now basically these conferences are extremely important due to many reasons. Now, under normal conditions, we all sitting in a one room, we have a fantastic physical network with all our colleagues as well as the young researchers to discuss the discovery happens during last few years, especially maybe the last year. So now the things are changed because of the COVID pandemic situation. Now, most of the time during last 2 years, we were not able to meet physically, but somehow we managed to hold all these things in a virtual basis. So even in the virtual basis also, there are so many advantages. I have seen, no, I have witnessed. Now, for these type of conferences, now the participation is fairly high. Not necessarily the participation is limited to Sri Lanka. Especially the international participation is extremely high in virtual platforms. So I know that for this conference, the local researchers as well as the international researchers and also the international collaborators also joining with us today. So I'm very happy to see this is a very special department in our Sri Lankan university system. This is the only department is handling this special subject called the state management and valuation. So therefore, this department is so unique. So in addition to that, the department managed to get the accreditation from the Royal Institute of Chartered Surveys for their undergraduate program. So therefore, it's an extremely important thing. So if you are doing any program for the accredited program, so you have to maintain special standards. So that indicate the quality of the graduates we are producing from this particular department. So they are in par with international standards. So I would like to thank the dean as well as the present head of the department as well as the former head of the departments to elevate or to get this special status quo in the university system. And I hope that you all are working hard to maintain and further improvement of the quality of your department. So as the Vice Chancellor, current Vice Chancellor, I am very happy to see this kind of special things are happening in our faculty. That is very important. Nowadays, we are even talking about the international standards and international ranking of our universities. So all these things are very helpful to get higher ranking in the university sector. And also now, this is a very special situation, pandemic situation. So therefore, now we have to be a bit smart. So therefore, I think this year theme is extremely important, and they have basically used this name or selected this name, Smart Real Estate Unmet Socio-Economic Needs. So that's a very, very attractive and important theme you all have selected. I hope that so many researchers and people, they have submitted their research findings today evening. I think you all are going to discuss further in all these new findings, and especially the solutions for the many issues we are having in the real estate sector. So now I know that there is a small drawback in your sector because of the pandemic situation, but I think the good things may come in coming years because you have to work really hard, and you may get a high demand for your sector, especially after the once the pandemic situation is over, and basically we are talking about the new normal conditions. Most of the stuff we have used to use is now a little different. So under the new normal condition, I think this is a one sector going to have more opportunities. So therefore, I would like to congratulate the Faculty of Management Studies and Commerce, and especially the Department of State Management and Valuation for your contribution and the excellent conference you all have organized. And I hope that you will do a very fruitful session in the afternoon. And I would like to thank the head of the department, and especially the today chief guest, Professor Sampath Amartunga, and the conference chair of this conference, and the entire organizing committee for their devotion and the effort that making this event is a very successful event. And I also congratulate all the researchers and who basically give us some manuscripts or the transcripts to present and the industry, and especially that is a very important thing. So this is a kind of a institute industry attraction. So there are people who are joining, with the industry or with the industrial experiences to improve this particular conference, or to use some critical comments on our findings for the further development of your research. And I hope the future of the real estate management sector going to be very fruitful one. And finally, I say every success for this particular conference. Thank you very much.